Hello class, my name is Sofia Rodriguez and the title of my presentation is Volcanology. So, research overview about volcanology. So volcanology is the study of volcanoes and anything that consists of volcanic phenomena, which consists of volcanic structure, causes of volcanic eruption, the different types of volcanoes, and also how volcanologists gather their data while in the field. Okay, so our first slide is going to be on volcanic structure. And we have three main parts of the volcano, which the first one would be the crater, which is located at the top of the volcano where volcanic material has been ejected. Then it is the vent, which is the conduit between the crater and the magma. And lastly, the cone, which is the cone around the crater on top of the volcano. And the volcano is also mixed in layers of solid lava flows and fragmented materials. And if you look at the left of the screen, there is an image that explains more in-depth the structure of a volcano. What causes volcanic eruption, you might ask? And after conducting my research, I have found that there are many things that can cause an eruption. And the first would be the movement of tectonic plates. Like when it's pushed under magma, the sediment and water is forced in the chamber, which causes it to overflow the volcano. Another would be the pressure change within the volcano, which forces magma also to overflow the chamber that it is held in. And lastly, a decrease in temperatures can cause old magma to crystallize and sink to the bottom of the chamber, and it forces liquid magma to come up and out of the volcano. Types of volcanoes. So our three main types of volcanoes are the cinder cone volcanoes, composite volcano, and the shield volcano. And if you look to the left of the screen, there you have an image of a cinder cone volcano, which is a bowl-shaped crater at the very top and can rise thousands of feet or so above the surroundings. And they are our most common volcano that exists. Then in the image in the middle is a composite volcano. This type of volcano is made up of different types of minerals, volcanic ash, and lava, which causes layers to form around it. And to the right of the screen, there is an image of a shield volcano, which are the largest volcanoes on Earth, and they look like a shield lying on the ground, which is formed by the eruption of lava, which travels far and forms thinner flows, which is why it ends up looking like a shield. We have tools used by volcanologists. We have the seismic monitors, thermal imagers, ground movements, gas samples, radar mapping, satellites, seismographs, telemeters, hydrology instruments, and gas trapping bottles. So to the left of the screen, you have an image of seismic monitors, which helps monitor the vibrations. And then the image in the middle is gas. They're like volcanologists using gas trapping bottles. And then to the right top, we have the thermal imagers, and to the bottom of it, we have the radar mapping. In conclusion, after my research on volcanology, I have a better understanding on what it is. Volcanology is a study of volcanic phenomena which consists of volcanic structure, causes of volcanic eruption, types of volcanoes, and how volcanologists gather information from volcanoes. I was able to learn more about how they are created and the different types of volcanoes that actually exist. But other than the main three, we do have many other volcanoes that exist. But being able to learn what volcanologists use to determine and to like gather data from volcanoes is actually a very interesting thing for me to have learned also. And I also really enjoyed learning and doing this presentation, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.